Hello everyone, myself Vinay. Today I am excited to show a 3D platform game I have been developed by Regularity. The concept is simple and fun. You control a robot, navigation in a challenging environment, and your goal is to collect a missing stars to win the game. Now let's dive into how it works and how it was built. The main object of the player is to explore and collection. Using the keyboard, the player can move the player robot forward, backward. And side to side as well as to jump. The level is designed with several elements to test the player's skills. They have static platform, simple blocks and stars that forms the basic one. Moving platform, as you can see from the moving platform object in my screen, these are the platform that moves back and forth, requiring the player to time their jump perfectly. Collectiveness, these are the key to winnings when the robots such as stars get connected. Let me show it. To keep the player informed, I have implemented a simple UI. The remaining collectabilities UI elements on the screen shows the live count of how many stars are left. The game is won when this counter hits the zero. Tools and technologies. This entire game was built using the Unity engine, specifically version 6.2. Let's look at the key components. The player robot is the star to show. It has a C script attached that handles all the logics for moving and jumping by taking input from the player. It also has a rigidity component to integrate with Unity physical engine. The environment is built from simple 3D primitives like cubes and customs modules for thinking like stains. The scene is lit using a combination of the main directional light for sunlight and specifically wall light object to add atmosphere. To make developers smoother, I use some powerful packages from Unity input system from modern flexible control mapping that works on keyboard, gamepads and more. Cinematics. These packages control the game camera instead of writing the complexity code to follow the player. Cine Machine provides a small follow camera that smoothly tracks the player robot's movement. Here is the Cine Machine that provides the robot movement. Cine Machine. This package controls the game camera. Next, a universal radar pipeline. This was used to get the stylized, clean look for the game graphics. To bring the world to life, I added several audio sources. You can see the objects like background. You can see that here is the background ambient SCIFI and background music action in my scene. My plan is to have the ambient sound play constantly and trigger the action music during the challenging part of the levels. I have also started adding the visual effects like this placeholder for a snow effect to add more personality to the screen. For the future, I have planned to design more complex level, add some sound effects for jumping and collecting stars, implement a star menu, and you win a screen. The conclusion. So that a quick look at my robot platform project. It was a fantastic learning experience in she has scripting level, design and using the Unity powerful packages ecosystem. Building this game from scratch has been incredible rewarding. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this overview.